So over here you can see that in the background I have Adobe Bridge opened up, and over here you can see that I have After Effects opened up as well. So let's say I want to apply an animation preset to this particular text right here. In that case, I can go around onto effects, and over here under presets, you can see that there are a lot of presets. So what you can actually do to see the preview of these particular presets is utilize Bridge. So to do that, you need to go around, click on the hamburger icon right here. And then what you can do is you can go around over here and then simply browse the presets. So once you do that over here in the Adobe Bridge right here, you can see that there's presets that you can access. And then I went to the text preset, and over here I can go around onto, let's say for example, 3D text preset. So here are some samples that you can go around and play out. Let's say for example, I can go around and play this out, and you can see that that is the preset that is there. So you can see that this is what you have right here, and so forth, just like this. So let's just go around and play it, and that is the preset that you have. So if I were to go around over here, I can simply select out, let's say for example, this particular test text right here. It is selected. So all I need to do is I can go around and double click, and in After Effects you can see that it is applied right here. So the preview animation text that you see right here is applied over here onto the layer, just like this, as you can see. And that is how you can go ahead and browse animation presets inside of Adobe Bridge, so that you can easily apply it inside of Adobe After Effects. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.